Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machine. You can see we have a busy workshop here with lots of machines opened, and it's a bit messy, but keep going. So here I'm testing this Isomac machine, and I'm going to pull a shot. Getting perfect 9 bars of pressure. You can see the steam valve is leaking a little bit. I haven't done anything to this machine yet, just testing it. There, the heating light goes on, that's normal. You're pumping cold water into the boiler, so it's normal for the heating light to come on in the middle of the shot. So thank you for testing with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.